Okay, good day everybody, and welcome to today's class. Like last class, we had to make some adjustments here, so we are still working with the new mode. So moving on, we've done with this part. So we want to explore our imagination today. We really want to do well with that. Okay, so I'll be doing a logo, doing a flyer, and transferring the logo to Photoshop MockUP. I will explain this step by step to us now. Let's go. I want to believe by now you guys have registered Canva. Yeah, you guys have registered Canva. So I want to create a new logo, and with that, it's very simple. Just search logo. It's going to bring it out, and if you want to be specific, you can say sample logo, gaming logo, food logo, animated logo. Just search for anything and it comes out. This one I'm creating now, I'm just trying to look at what is the best. You can see now this animated logo, and if you don't like any of these, you can just change it to any other thing of your choice. Let's just go back to home and search. When it comes to design, especially on Canva, lot of choices, because except for the part I'm taking this class now, I do so many things, so it's whatever thing that comes to my mind, I just go for. Okay, I think I'll be making this, but it's paid, so I have to remove those paid elements there. We talked about that whenever you see that page, that means there are some elements on that particular logo that you have to throw away. By throw away, I mean you cannot use. Let's find out what the paid elements here. It's good to do that so that you know what you can use and what you can use. Let me see. On the line, what is the okay, I want to do issue with this. So if I delete that, let me see. Oh, it's not. So okay, is our circle. I'm following up. That's the exact thing I intend using. That's the exact thing I intend using. But not to worry, you can always look for other options. And while you're working here, you can just go down and see something else that interests you. Or don't go to all these ones that set you sign up for Pro, of course. Just skip those one out of it. Okay. You need to have a good concept. Like kind of like yeah, they made the black and white, and of course they also made the non-black and white, and for this now you are not paying anything, it's just the images. And think that you want to make use of this. It's a logo already, so the concepts look very nice. I think I'm going to find. Okay. Then make sure it's centered. Place it in the middle. For this, I kind of like the concept because position, middle, center. Now, color also plays a good role when you are designing. You have to think about your color first. The color is a factor. Like me now, I prefer using this yellow and blue. That's my color brand. So, and I want to change this to a yellow, sorry, to a blue, white is a yellow. Yeah, that's color, and not the regular blue, it's navy blue for me. So let me look for the deep navy clear. Okay, and for this, I like the gold light yellow. Yes, this yellow. Okay, so be sure that they are right well on each other so as to give it a good feel, because we have something we're getting. Okay, that will give us a good feel of that. This, so that the line we are getting here. Yeah, so whatever thing we do now, we know we are well centered. Okay, I'm not done yet. Let's place this here. And of course, you have to, like I said, you have to be concerned about your color. You don't just put all the colors of the world here. No, it doesn't work that way. Since we are working with them, just stick to the colors that we are working with. Okay, I think all these ones will just move a little bit up. Why these all those suits? So I can have an information here. So what are those things? Just normal text we should do. Just normal text. Now I want to list those things I do for my business. Here I go. It depends on your style. Graphic designer. Because what we are having here is not good. Software developer. I'm going to say it's going to come out now very well. What else? Just list whatever thing you do in your company, and you might decide to arrange it in a very straight format so that you not just look like irregular. And I decided to put this one here. It's just my own thing. Okay, what's the next thing? Business branding. Okay, you just do copy and paste to get the next one. Yeah. And training. Okay, so you make them look unique to your own taste, your own uniqueness. Now I'm going to duplicate this again, Ctrl D, then bring it down. And because I have this guy, hold your shift down when you click on the first one, then start clicking on all of them. You can see group. In some cases your group might be higher, might be hidden here. Just look for the group on your own either browser or software. It could be here, it could be it would appear here, that so that all of them will not lose shape. we are increasing, reducing, and of course we can zoom out. You can zoom out here. You can zoom out here. You see, you can zoom out here. So you zoom out. You want to lose shape of what you're doing. Okay. All right. Make sure you are very neat. Okay. Now you want to have your contact information there as well. Your contact information is good that you use icons. It's good that we use it. So you come here, start for icons. Facebook icon. You have it, you have paid, you have unpaid, depends on what you are picking. I want to pick this. Well, now because you are working with the color navy, you have to change this one to navy. Because you have that, just change. Then my Facebook link, you guys can check it. Because this is big, so you guys have to do it. The same way, go back to elements, search for, okay, I think we want to Twitter. So they search for, you want to have it unique. If you want to choose their default color too, it's okay. It's not a big deal. But I want to have my own, this very unique also. And please be sure that you know the measurement here. This is 21. It's not like what is it called? You might not get the exact one, just try and look for what can give you that. Control D again, then bring this here. On Instagram is just, on Twitter is Shencko 01. So, okay, we have what else? I think Instagram to ensure that you control your color. It's very, very important. You can't get 21, you get 1. It's almost the same thing. On Instagram, I have Shencko 01. I have Shencko 01. And YouTube. On YouTube, so you have to be specific about the kind of icon you are adding. If I'm adding their native color, I will choose their native color, but because I choose not to use their native color, I choose the one that comes to the very thing I want to do. I don't like guys to today. I want it to, yeah. Yeah, Shencko. Sorry. And Shencko Studio. So the last thing you want to add is your maybe your slogan or something. And for slogan, it's best that you have it in italic form. So just look for italicized. The size, you might have, you might not have, maybe the search icon is wrong. Not to worry, let's just put my slogan. That is slogan. Bring it here and boom, make it italics. That's it. I'm done with my logo, guys. It doesn't have to be that complicated all the time. If I want to make a complicated logo, yes, I can do it. It's not too much of a time. I can look for us big templates here and work on it. But I think I love it. I think I love it. I think I love it. So having done this now, okay, sorry, I didn't change this one. Maybe, and that's the reason why you need to check and check. If you have some other contact, you can add your Gmail. Oh, sorry. The most important one is one I do not. That should be my phone number. That should be my phone number. Okay. Like I said, hold shift down and group each of them with their icon. Group. So having grouped each of them, you just create wider space. Okay. But you know I'm not good. Just ungroup so that you can replace template. Gmail icon. You have the Gmail icon. Just the same template you've been using, stick to it. Let's delete this now and bring our Gmail here. Guys, you know that this is not the magic, this is just the preliminary. We're just doing around of here now. Yeah, that's my Gmail. Of course, we must be on the same line. Everything. If you have to reduce, I reduce. That thing has to be the same very line. Like all the names. And here is my phone number. The moment you start searching, you will see what you're looking for. Or let's do WhatsApp rather than phone. Same color. Just stick to that way 21, 22. Because compared to Ordo, you cannot possibly change the exact value. Now you might take it to what I do, stretch it out, stretch it in the end of the looking for. Of course, my phone number. So when it's good, you can okay. I'm only trying to make them good so that it can come out well in our mock-up. It's not compulsory. You should know that right now. And these are designed on my own terms. So you go for what you also want to say. So guys, I'm done logo and all, and the next thing is to do it. I don't necessarily have to use it. I want to use this one, it's not a big deal. Copy the element, paste it here. Just put this one to navy blue. Switch this one with yellow. Switch this one. You just impart what you have up there. That's it. Control. So it's here now. Just an inversion of what you have there. You have it in the two ways. It's not a big deal. And all these ones now make them come out. And just have all these guidance. The icons, let's go like this. You know we had lines, remember? Lines to go like this. And we are done. Okay, this white. And we are done. I just made two logos. It's as simple as that. Okay, now let's download. We have talked to you guys about this way. I will add this one in case you guys want to work on this template. I will add this one to my group and I will share the link of the class. Story view. Going on. Okay, so we download now. I was only wanted to download PNG. The background should be a bit hot. It's Coral Draw. I mean, it's not like Coral Draw, so the background might not really go away. And we are going to download it as JPEG. Download. So because we are downloading the two files now, it's going to download together as a zip folder. When you download as a zip folder, you can then extract later. I love putting my work here. So I'll just say. Now I want to turn this not too nice logo into this that I showed you guys the other time. Here, here. I want to turn it to this or this. Now to do this, is what will take us to this part, Photoshop mockups. Now, to achieve Photoshop mockups, I'm going to be releasing 2 links for us now. 2 links. Please pay attention to this part. It's very, very important. This part is very, very important. The first link is where you can download Photoshop in case you do not have Photoshop right now. The name of the website is this: getintopc.com. Let me write it down for you, so you have to pause here now and write it down. Getintopc.com. That's the name of the website. Go to getintopc.com, and this is it here. I don't know what you're looking for, but any website, any software that you're looking for is right here. Top of any website, you have it here, and it's free, not to pay. And they are all of them, they are premium software. So just type Photoshop. Enter. It's going to give you results. You have Adobe, these Adobe Photoshop. Please name them. These Adobe Photoshop. It was uploaded 6 months ago. I will go with this. This is the regular Photoshop. Now to download, just scroll down. And you see it here. This is the software, and this is the instructions on how to download and how to install. So you have to watch this video and download. Only that the file is a bit large. It's 3.1 gig. So guys, it requires data. But once you have it, and you should be doing the work and make your money. So the size is 3.1 gig. It's quite large, but not to worry. It's one thing you can download. So when you download, watch this video now to install. I have it on my system already here. So now when you are done with this installation, you will now go to another website. Here. I need to show you. Yes, here. The name of the website is this: freepik.com. freepik.com. That's the name of the second website we are working with. Then when you come here, let me just show you all the Let me show us this. This is the website. This is the way it looks like. You might decide to sign up, you might decide not to sign up. That is not necessary. Now, without sign up, you can actually download. So what you are looking for here is mock-up designs. Not just mock-up design, but you're looking for the one that has to do with logo. You have like logo, 3D mock-up. Is to give you series of options. 3D mock-up, that is what we're looking for. Now, when you see the 3D mock-up logo, it's going to bring them in variety. You have series of them there, and of course, this app, there is things you can see pricing. Any website that you go to, that you see pricing, that means they have a package that is free, and they have a package that is not so free. A package that is not so free. So we are looking for the one we can afford for now. If you want to pay for the full package, come on, go ahead and do that. It's not a big deal. It doesn't cost too much. But I just feel I can go around and legally I've been saying that sometimes without know that you don't have to do anything illegal thing on that website. You can do it around and get the result. Why is it taking forever? Oh, sorry. I typed the wrong thing. Okay, sorry, my bad. I typed the wrong thing. Now, when you come here, just like we know before in the Canva and Pagechamp, anything you see like this is not free. But we see stuff like this, they are free. These ones are free. These ones are free. You now choose what you want. This one is free. This one. Now, I think I like this one. When you see this one, you click on it. It's going to ask you to download. Now, this PSD that you're seeing here means Photoshop design. So that is what we want to do. Just click on it. It's a free download. is downloading for us. Here you can see. And if you just if what you want to download, you don't want to download the JPEG, you just want to download the Photoshop, just click on that one. But if you want to download everything together, it's even less. Downloading the two together. So when you are done downloading, you go to your download file, just go there, download, and you extract. This is it, you extract. I have more of it here, you can see on my download, you extract. So I'm extracting it now. For the sake of, in case you want to have your system well organized, you can extract it maybe in a particular folder of your choice. But for the sake of this class, I actually have a specific file I use for this. But for the sake of this class, I won't want to scenario whereby you're looking for this thing I've done, where is it? This is it here. You go to extract. This is the copy. Just open it up on Photoshop. Right, please open. Photoshop open. Why Photoshop is doing the drama? Let's go back to that our image, that particular folder that we opened here. Where is it? Okay, this is our also extracting it out. Now we have extracted them. This is the two of them. Now we are going to the third site that we will need now. For this site now, we want to make this thing look so okay that by the time we remove the background, like the way I remove this background, I want to go to a site that will help me remove this background. So what I'm going to do is to show you guys the third website. The name of the website is remove.bg. remove.bg. Please do not forget, I have it here. Please it remove.bg. On this particular website, top of any image, boom, the background just vamoose once and for all. The background will just remove. Tap sharp. It's loading. Okay, here on this website you can also log in, but not necessary. Just upload the particular file you want to remove the background, and the work will be done for you. Now it's time to remove my logo background so that I can have the 3D design. What I will do is upload the folder. Okay, my Photoshop is equally good. I guess that's why my system is slowing down. Okay. Just click on the file you want to remove the background and remove the background. Okay, I guess I'll press it too much a time that it's now responding all by itself now. You see what I have now? You see what I have? The blue background is gone, and now you download this again. Download this again. Let me check. Now that it's finished downloading, now let's do the magic. This is what we have. This is what we have. You remember where we got this from? Pre-pick. We extracted it here in our download box. We extracted this. I just want to do a quick review so that it will not like I've modeled up everything. we extracted this here, and we had it somewhere on the here. I told you the thing. Okay, I think I saw your here. We had it here. So now that we extracted it, we have opened it in Photoshop. Now we want to use this to get our logo also to look like it. The first thing you do is to come here, this area, and you see double click to change. Just double click. When you double click, it's going to take you to where you have it where you can make use of whatever you want to make use of there. This is it. Now when you have these are what you call layers. These are what you call layers. So what we're going to do right now is to make this layer go away and bring in our own layer and place it right on it. We're going to make this layer go away and bring in our own layer. Doing that, we are going to close this layer. It's not like you deleted it. No, you only close it. You only close it. You don't want to see it. Now, what we're going to do right now is to take this particular one that we downloaded from remove.bg, then you now drag it, because when you remove the background of something, it becomes a PNG file. Now this is a PNG file. It's here now. Just stretch it out to your taste. Stretch it out to your taste. Make it go as you want it to go. Put it wherever you want. Sorry, that's the center. So just stretch it out very well. Then save, Ctrl S. Just click on place. You're going to save it. Now it's done saving. Let's check. Let's check what we have. You can see that my logo, Shencko corporate link, that is my logo. Now you can just pause, go to file normally now, save or save as. No, sorry, export. Export. Now that we have exported it, you just say normally to export, to give it a name, and you can make use of the logo anywhere as you please. And I want to believe you guys who are doing with me that this is cool. This is cool. It might be a little bit long, but it is cool. You just save as, it brings up the dialog box and you save, and when you are done saving, boom, that's it. So please be mindful of this. Don't save it as PNG. And be mindful of that. Just export. Let me place it somewhere where I'll see. That's me, OC, Shencko corporately stay. So We go there now. If you have it here, we have it here. See? It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Now for flyer, it's just the same. What we do is to create a flyer and an ID card. And the reason is quite simple. When you're doing that, but looking at this logo we just do now, it does not really require that we upload anything. But while creating flyers and ID card in most cases, and when we get the video, of course, in the next class, there are some other things I would like to show you. All of this is fine. I might not be able to explain all of them, but when you are working on it by yourself, you need to reach out to me if you reach any stumbling block. If there's something that you are doing that you do not really get, just reach out to me. Now, this is flyer, school flyer, business flyer, and so on and so forth. We're actually going to design a business flyer, but just for you to have a preview, go to your system now and search event flyers. It come out with a lot of design. Now in your church they are doing something, you just use something like this. You're having a party, you can just have something like this. You are just edit the effects there and you are good to go. They're not, you have to set, and if there's a particular color that party is having, just change it from this color that you have to your own color, and it's okay. You can see series and series of templates. But we want to design a very formal flyer. So business flyer. The reason is quite simple. Here you might have places where you have to insert images here like this, like this, like this, like so. How do you do all of these things? How do you do all of these things? We are going to be imaginative. Actually, my own flyer was done here as well. I did my flyer here as well. So I want to show you guys how you can post. Sometimes when you see things like this that look like a circle, it doesn't just mean you bring a circle from somewhere. No, some of them are frames on Canva, and that is why I'm choosing to explain to us the concept of designing flyer. It's a bit different from the general what is it called. So let's choose this. I only chose it randomly. It's not bad. Since we have paid element, we just move the paid element and while we apply. So I'm choosing this. Okay. While it's loading, let me say this. Put it on the back of your mind that you might have to go to the internet to download some images, but if it's Google that you're downloading images from, it's quite simple. Just right click. I will show you guys anyway. Now these are paid what is it called? But let's say you want to revamp this thing now for your daddy or mommy, maybe she's having one event and you want to do it for her. If you look at this thing very well, does it not look like something you have seen before? That's the exact okay, let me show you. That flyer you're looking at was the exact flyer I changed. So the flyer we have been using, look at it here. Okay, let me make it bolder. Yeah, this flyer, look at it here. This one, you can see I only change the picture, place the logo, then that's all. I even use actually design the places, so that's all. But I want us to work with this one now. Working with this one, we have to remove this particular element, then give our own name to it. Place this one there. It doesn't mean you have to use all the elements here. No, it doesn't mean you have to use all the elements here. If there are some you don't really like, you can take it away. Now, for example, now we have a flyer and we have a logo that we have designed. Let's start from there. Now, when we want to replace this particular one, that means we are changing these two to our own logo. And when you click on some of them, you will see that the element you are clicking on extended beyond the face. Just like you have in any other graphic package, the one that appears on this is the printable. Anything that appears outside, like this purple area now that extended outside, it won't appear in your design. So they just place those elements, creativity. Actually, look at this is the full thing, or they made it go outside so that it can be very creative. Now, Having said that, I really do not want to waste time on this one compared to the other time. Let me just zoom in. Now, we want to change this one and this one to the new logo I designed, and the logo is not here. You go to upload files. When you get to upload files, you just look for the image. Of course you should know where you save your image. This is the image I'm looking for. Open. There's something I'm going to show you right now. This image that we're importing will not be of this size, but there's a way you can work around it to make it of this size. Now it's uploading. You can see the uploading progress. Even though you are uploading a 1 gig file, that Shencko is going to show you the progress until you are done. When you are done, it's going to render it fully. So it's rendered fully now. Just bring it here. You know it's big, right? Then you crop. It doesn't have to be exactly like what you have there. Then you can redeem. Logo is logo. That's your logo. And here, just change it to your name. You want to make it formal now. Now we want to have this here, something like this. Then reduce the size. Look, not the size of that. Okay, reduce the size of everything so that it can just fit in like what we need here. Okay, now I'm done with that part. Then I want to change this image. The question is, what am I doing? What is that thing that I want to do? That is what will determine the image I'm placing here now. Let's say, for example, now I want to host a business summit that has to do with web development and blah blah blah. I have the image already. You understand? Or maybe just grab class I want to design. I'll just place it there. You see, I'll just drag and place it there. Any part, you can see any part, I'll just drag and place it there. So I'm dragging this one now. I place it there. That means I'm hosting a web development class. Now, since we're going to do, I'm planning for next year. Okay, 2022 online web. Okay, web design class. Now, maybe for this year now, I've done some things. Okay, I've trained some of you guys, and I want to bring you on board next year. I'll just look for your picture, put it here, and start with your names. I start to follow this template as it is. Or let's say I want to be creative now. Or let's say I want to have a online web development, web designer. How do I call it? Fair. Now, by fair I mean I will not use this one to explain. And avenue for young developers to win a grant of, come on, it's a huge money, guys, don't sleep on it. So win a grant of $10,000 after their works have been rated. So definitely we need panels. Now this is it. Now here I'm changing this to our panelists. Our panelists. Okay. The first panel, of course, will be me. Let me look for one of my former pictures. I have so many pictures, and I'll show you guys that you can upload pictures now, so it's not a big deal. You can just do it to upload your picture. Yeah, that's me. And I'll just put my name, Shencko, creative director and post, boom. Then maybe I'm bringing in some other people from elsewhere. For this one, I'm putting all my pictures. Let me do some random name. I know I have Ola Oluwa, the platform, and I have the man too. The man, so I'm just putting it on Oluwa E. It's the combination of you guys' name. Okay, and I have let me see another picture that I have. Don't be looking at my picture. There you guys, when I'm scrolling, when you get to this part, you have to close that. Okay. You can just go and get a random picture too. It's not a big deal, but design. Okay. Because we need a formal picture, so it's most likely going to be a business. Okay, we have mama. Let's get a woman. Let's get a lady. Okay. Well, we actually had a lady there before. Never mind. So I'm just going to leave the rest like that. Now, this is the reason why I said I want to show these things that I place the picture inside. They are called frames. Look at it when I delete. You see, when I delete, you see what happened. They are frames. They are places where you can put pictures. Now to get more frame, any type of a frame, in case you want to design other things, just come to your element and type it. This is the actual reason why I'm showing us how we can do this. I could have skipped it. Imagine that when you get here, you sort it out by yourself, but no, let me not do that. Series of frame. This one now is a, I don't know what is it, but if you use this frame, and you have to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 frame pictures there. This one 3 pictures, and you can put one picture and edit it in such a way that they will not stand apart. Creativity, imagination. You can come up with something that. So these things are called frame. All right. Let me just undo them. Now I'm bringing them back. Okay, let me say this quickly. When you click on any image, the property appears here, and this one is for the frame around it. And change the frame, make it white. It's your choice. You can do that, and of course you can flip that image, turn it upside down, or change it as you like. You can flip the image. And lastly, you can crop out the image. You can crop the image by extending it. Maybe you just want the hair to show. If this is what you want, which of course is not nice. So this one now means that in case you have a bigger picture, that just need a smaller part of it. That's how you go. That's how you get value. I can flip this one now. Just okay. I can flip this one too. And maybe I don't want to see her waist, just come to crop and crop it out. Okay, I want to have her like this. That's what I want to have her. Understand? So that is how you create, and that is how you edit image. If it is text, it will bring anything you just click on, the properties of those things, of that particular thing you click on will appear here. Even these are big picture here. You can crop it out as well. You can crop it out. See? So that is how it runs. So my logo is, my design is almost done. And only that I want to make this one go like this, and boom, I have my flyer. This is my flyer, guys. And the same way, because I won't be saving it, the same way, just go to download, save as JPEG always, and hit download. Now the reason why it's doing this is because there's something I need to pay for. I think it's down here. There's something else that I need to pay for. They just remove all the elements that you don't need and replace it with yours, and you download for free. So that is it, guys. That is it. I hope you grab it. Now, without wasting time, let's go to business card. Well, it's more of the same anyway. It's more of the same. ID card or business card, as you might want to call it. Yeah, here. It's just more of the same thing. It's because of the picture that has to come here as well. Any one of them that you pick, just search through. When you search through it, just follow the format. I'm actually using this in church right now. For our trade fair and talent competition. So you can come up with anything. The business card is there, the ID card is there. So I really do not want to waste much time, because I observed that the first video that we had to create a logo took a bit of our time. So what we're going to be doing right now, which is our task for today, please pay attention. Number one, we are going to create a logo for me, at least one. Actually, I'm supposed to ask you to create two, but create one logo, create an ID card for that company. That same logo is to create an ID card. I'll show you how you can import picture. So all of these ID card that you see with logo now, just import that same thing that you create. Then create a flyer for that same company. Create a flyer. I don't know what the company wants to do. Maybe they are doing some 50% sales or some things on that. Create a flyer for the company. Create a logo for that company and create an ID card for that company. And I want to see your image, your picture on the ID card, for me to know that you have understand what I taught you today. I want to see your image on the ID card. So guys, any question you have about touching this, reach out to me. Of course, you know how to edit all of this. We've done that. What we're going to do, just delete and place, and you can place icons now. You see the way those icons came out now? It's different from the one we did earlier. So it's just same of the same. Guys, I know you can do this. I want to believe you can do this. So that's what we are doing for today. 3 tasks. Create a logo. Using that logo, create a flyer for the company. Using that same logo, create an ID card, and your flyer alongside your logo, alongside your ID card, must have your picture on it, at least one. And if you want to wow me now, you can design a birthday card for daddy, you can design a birthday card for money. Now, our next class will be taking us back to video. And that also, I will need to explain some things for us as well. Some things where we work on video, audio, and photo all together with text, and our upload to create our own massive video. I'm thinking of creating a birthday card for somebody. If your birthday is in this month, you can send me a personal picture. I will use it as tutorial for everybody. Then we'll do it for you. Alright guys, that'll be it today. Please, I am expecting your time. Thank you.